Welcome to our review of the Canon imageFORMULA DR-G2110 sheetfed scanner, a high-performance scanner designed for businesses and professionals who require efficient and accurate document scanning. But before we dive into the details, let's set the stage for this review. Imagine you're working in a busy office, and your team is handling a high volume of documents, from contracts and invoices to receipts and reports. Every hour counts, and manual data entry is not only time-consuming, but also prone to errors. This is where the Canon imageFORMULA DR-G2110 comes in, a sheet-fed scanner that promises to revolutionize your document management process. The problem, however, is that many businesses are still relying on outdated scanning technologies that are slow, inaccurate, and expensive to maintain. They're often plagued by poor image quality, frequent paper jams, and complicated software integration. But the Canon imageFORMULA DR-G2110 is different. It's a cutting-edge scanner designed to provide fast, reliable, and high-quality scanning performance, even in the most demanding environments. So, let's take a closer look at this scanner and see what makes it tick. First impressions are always important, and the Canon imageFORMULA DR-G2110 certainly makes a great first impression. Its sleek and compact design makes it a great fit for any office environment, and its built-in sheet-fed scanning technology ensures that document scanning is a breeze. The scanner itself is sturdy and well-built, with a robust metal frame that can withstand the rigors of heavy use. But what really impresses is the intuitive touchscreen interface, which makes it easy to navigate the scanner's settings and features. Now, let's delve into the nitty-gritty of the Canon imageFORMULA DR-G2110's features. One of the standout features is its 600 dpi optical scanning resolution, which ensures that documents are scanned with incredible accuracy and detail. But what's truly remarkable is the scanner's color accuracy, which can be managed with 24-bit depth. This means that documents are scanned with vibrant colors that remain true to their original colors, even at high resolutions. Another feature that deserves a mention is the scanner's advanced image processing capabilities. It uses advanced algorithms to remove noise, correct distortions, and even improve the overall image quality. This results in crystal-clear document images that are perfect for archiving, printing, or even sending to clients. But how does the scanner perform in real-world scenarios? We put it to the test in our lab, scanning a variety of documents from receipts and invoices to contracts and reports. The results were astounding. The Canon imageFORMULA DR-G2110 consistently delivered high-quality scans, even from challenging documents like receipts with faded ink or contracts with intricate graphics. One area where the Canon imageFORMULA DR-G2110 excels is its handling of high volumes of documents. We scanned hundreds of pages in a row without any issues, and the scanner's built-in automatic document feeder made quick work of feeding and scanning the documents. However, we did notice some slight delays when scanning particularly thick documents, like contracts with multiple pages. In terms of pros and cons, the Canon imageFORMULA DR-G2110 is an excellent scanner that excels in many areas. Its high scanning resolution, advanced image processing capabilities, and robust design make it an ideal choice for businesses and professionals who require fast and accurate document scanning. However, the scanner's high price point may be a deal-breaker for some, and the lack of wireless connectivity may be a limitation for those who prefer a more portable solution. When it comes to competing options, the Canon imageFORMULA DR-G2110 stands out for its exceptional scanning performance and robust design. However, other options like the Fujitsu Phi 7280 and the ScanSnap 1500 offer similar features and performance at lower price points. Ultimately, the choice will depend on your specific needs and budget. In conclusion, the Canon imageFORMULA DR-G2110 is a top-notch sheet-fed scanner that delivers exceptional performance and accuracy in a busy office environment. Its high scanning resolution, advanced image processing capabilities, and robust design make an ideal choice for businesses and professionals who require fast and accurate document scanning. While it's not perfect, The high price point and lack of wireless connectivity may be limitations for some. It's an excellent option for those who need a reliable and high-performance scanner.